Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is video number 10 of Tropic Palette. So today I actually want to do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to go ahead and start off with getting my complexion done and ready because I actually want to do a little bit more of an editorial, strictly editorial, go off the books, something a little bit different than what we've been doing as of lately. And we will see what kind of look I come up with. So that is my dirty makeup closet that I need to fix and organize. Don't look at it. All right, let me go and get my face done, and then we will be back and we will jump back into the Tropic palette. All right, so base is complete. It matches, which is a good thing. So I actually really want to go out of everything we've been doing. I know I did an editorial look a while ago, more cool tone, but I really want to go full on more editorial. So we are going to start off with some limoncello, and then let's see here, just start packing that on up into the brow. Like, I really don't know what kind of look we're going to end up with, but we're just going to deal with it. Down to here. Taking a fluffy brush, really pack on that limoncello up into the brow and blend it out into maybe right there. Perfect. And then from there, I actually want to go ahead and apply my highlighter. Obviously, the Makeup Forever, the golden one. It's so dirty, I know. But I actually want to really go ahead and pack that on for right now. Maybe just use my fingers. Perfect. And with that, just really go ahead and start adding the highlight first. Up into the brow bone, up into the temple. Perfect. And just really begin to have a highlighted base. Clean my finger, and there goes my brush, which I need to throw away. Perfect. And then just get a brush and then blend that out. Perfect. Oof, that limoncello into that highlight is gorgeous. Awesome. Let me go ahead and do the other eye just so we can kind of keep in focus as to what is going on, and I will be right back. All right, so both sides are looking like sisters. Highlighter down, limoncello in the middle. Now next I am actually going to go into Peach Puff and Nudist. And with this, I'm going to go into like a really big, more fluffier brush. And actually just go ahead and mix the two. And then from here, go ahead and kind of really create that gradient. Perfect. Ooh. Up. There we go. Just kind of really focus that in the corner. And then start to just go ahead and bring it up. Just like that. Then mix it obviously up until you get to the intensity you want. Perfect. Up into the temple. Perfect. And then, actually, let me just go strictly into the Peach Puff to really begin to darken the edge a little bit. Because from here, right down into the corner, really use it to wing that out. Perfect. I am liking the way this is coming out, better than I expected. Like I said, when I do these videos, I really don't know what kind of look we're gonna go with, have an idea. Don't know if it'll translate, but I make it somehow work. Anyways, a little bit more of the Peach Puff, just the Peach Puff right in the corner. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to do the other eye and then we will be back. All right, so this is where we are at so far. Where's that lighting? Get rid of my dark circles. Awesome. Now from there, I am actually wanting to, actually I need a little bit more peach puff on my right side. Right there. Perfect. Just like the other videos, just add and blend. Add and blend is what it all comes down to. Now from there, I actually want to go in with sangria. But I am actually going to take where is my blush fluffy brush? A blush brush, fluffy brush, whatever. Dip into the sangria. And then from there, I don't know if this is going to turn out the way I want it to be. Perfect. So, because we already have that highlighter down, so it's going to be highlighted. And then with this, just in the outer. And up into the temple. Perfect. Oof. And use it as the blush. Oof. There we go. Okay. Now we're getting more editorial. So, and then just build it up to the intensity you want. Then kind of right up into the brow bone to blend it in with the peach puff and do this and down here. Perfect. Ooh, something a little different. Just really want to get out of the comfort zone of everything. And then just right onto the other side. Is all you need to do. Perfect. These colors blend so effortlessly together. They blend right into each other with no trouble, really. Right up into the brow. Out. I love this because it's very 80s. And I have to admit though, for how many looks we've done with this palette, I really haven't made a huge dent into any of the eyeshadows yet. So, I mean, these will definitely last quite a while. Perfect. Right up into the brow. Down. And then go ahead and going back in with the brush that I used for the peach puff. Directly right into sangria. And just really begin to concentrate that in the outer. There we go. Right there. Right there. Just right on that brow bone. Perfect. And I actually want to go right on going into a Gusti, which is definitely more of a duochrome. Just gonna put that right on the outer and blend it in with limoncello. There we go. I actually do like the way that came out. A lot better than I was expecting. Perfect. Now, from there, let's go ahead and add a little bit shape to the face. And of course, with that going in with the Makeup Forever, the bronzer side. Taking a blush brush, just using the tip right here on the bottom to really, really get product just right there. Right here. And then from there, just add a little bit shape to the face. Really don't want to do a harsh contour because, like I said, we're doing more of an editorial type of look. And then right onto the other side. Perfect. Just something to add a smidge. And then of course my big dome. So for this area, right there, it's right on the outskirts of my temple. It's right where I like to put the bronzer. And then of course the other side. Sorry, I really need to get a mirror so I can keep it right here. Could do looks together. Perfect. And then just go ahead and start blending it in. And that is how I pop out them cheeks. Blend it into the temple, right into the blush. Then obviously always go back with the sangria and just add that depth back of the color. Perfect. Right there. Perfect. And that is basically the final touch of it. So let me go ahead and put on mascara and then I will be right. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna go ahead with some Cover FX. Illuminating setting spray. Perfect. So there's the final look, just with mascara. Lip, do you want to do a little dramatic? Let's go ahead and go with what kind of lip color do I want to do? This is kind of like, let me go with a Fenty Beauty. Don't want to do too dramatic. Esmeralda, is this Esmeralda? Grisella, whatever. No, let's do Spanked, which is let's do this. Let me go in with Spanked first, kind of in the outer. Perfect. And then going with Griselda in the middle and in the inner. Perfect. And then obviously making them look like twins on both sides is annoying. Perfect. And then go in with Dreamscape right on top. Just to marry the two. There you go. we go. And that, my people, is the final look. So, pretty simple, pretty easy. Gosh, what did we use? Limoncello, nudist peach puff, and sangria to really create this editorial look. So obviously, if you guys want to see the final look, edited with the pictures and everything, Instagram will be linked below. So I hope you guys enjoyed, learned something a little new and different. If you have the palette, play around with it a little bit more. Oh, and Gusti. Gusti also right on top, which I actually want to add a little bit more. There we go. Just a smidge more. And right on the brow with whatever's left over. Why not? So, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's Easter today when I'm filming this, so until one more video. I don't want to do 12, but I just want to do 11 because the next video I actually am going to be inspired by the Circo Loco palette. I'll have the picture somewhere in the next video and show you what I'm going to be inspired just strictly by using this because it's more of the colors that I love from that picture. So until further notice, you guys have a great day. Bye.